A little update video. On Saturday, I told you guys that I was going to be changing all of my shirts that haven't sold to 1307, which is base price and no profit. And this is so far what's been going on. I announced that Saturday, so I started doing it Sunday. And there's definitely been some shirts that um, never sold before sold. So I mean, I'm guessing I'm doing a pretty good job for what I'm trying to do. Um, I guess it's working out. I When I started this, I needed 34 sales to have 500 sales to get to tier 1000, and now I only need 13. So it's only been six days, and I already got half of what I did the whole month last month, so um in items, not royalties. So this is just a little update. Um we got 372314, which was actually what's crazy about this month is the simple fact is all of my best sellers aren't fucking selling. I have like 3 or 4 different shirts that are on page one of like really high traffic niches, and it's weird. They're not selling this month so far. All I've been selling is new stuff, which is weird, but it's fine. That's good. New stuff is ranking. Um, I'm sure this my top sellers will come back around. Um, let's break this down. Um, this what's cool about this one, that 7 sales, is my girlfriend wanted to buy a shirt that I made. She thought it was really cute. And then once she bought one, 6 more sales came in. So that was cool. Um, this shirt right here is in the weed niche. 420s around the corner. So the weed shirts that I just kind of had up there and kind of forgot about have been starting to sell, which is cool. They've been there for a long time, been able to rank. Um, this one right here is the first shirt that I made out of my clothing brand. This one always sells. It's always nice to have one that just sells every day or every other day. It's just consistent. And the rest of these, some of these are my clothing brand. And yeah, so um, this is my update. This is what happens when I put all of my unsold shirts at 1307. So I guess I've been picking up pretty good this week. Definitely selling better than I was last month. So yeah, man, if you guys want to test that out and just see what happens when you put your unsold shirts for 1307, I think you'll make a couple more sales. After I make one sale, I always bump up my price. After the shirt's ranking, it always sells more. So this is just my little update, guys. If you guys want to try this out, with me. Um, like I said, I just wanted to be able to tear up. So I'm just doing whatever I need to do to get these last couple sales. Um, I only need now 13 sales. So yes, I can't wait to announce this tier 1000 when I get there, guys. But yeah, if you guys like this video, just like and subscribe, comment, let me know what type of content you guys want. I'll be happy to touch on anything that I feel like is going to help you guys. So just let me know what that is, and I'll make sure I have uh, get out a video for that, man. You guys have a blessed day. Keep grinding, stay consistent. And yeah, to the next video. Till next time.